Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Andita Prameswari with NPM 2241115 from Management 22DX. In this video, I want to explain the legal aspects. Is the purpose of analyzing the feasibility of legal aspects to examine the validity, inspection, authentication of document owned by the business. Researching the validity of this document is very important considering that before starting a business, all procedures related to permits or various requirements must first to fulfill. The next slide is aspect of to be researched. There is form a business entity. The next is TDP. Next is company permissions. The next is self-evidence. Next is NPWP. And the next is validity of the other document. The next slide is one form of business entity. There are limited liability company or PT and limited liability company or CV. The next is cooperative and foundation and firma or FA. Usually company that do a lot of feasibility studies before starting their business are companies with a legal entity or PT. Individuals. There is only the owner. Established does not require special requirement, and the organizational form is quite simply the management. The next is capital is not large, and responsibility lies with the owner. The next is limited company or PT. A legal entity is established based on an agreement that carry out activity with certain capital where the capital is divided into share and meeting the requirements stipulated by the law and is the implementation regulations. The company legal identity that is most widely used is sought by after entrepreneurs. The advantages include the breadth of business filed on, authority and responsibility limited to paid-in capital. According to the law, a limited liability company is the corporate legal identity to carry out an activity. The establishment of the PT is carried out of the basis of the agreement between the parties involved in it. Establishment of the PT with capital divided into shares. The next is procedure and requirement to establishing PT. There are 10 of slides. One is founder are the least two people. Two is the establishment is states in the notarial deed. Three is the language used in Indonesian. Four is include the name of the PT in the notarial deed. Five is obtain approval from the Minister of Justice. Six, registered under the mandatory company registration law of court. 7, announced in the State Gazette. 8, capital of the list. 2, 2009 is the issue capital is the at least 25% of the authorized capital. 10 is deposit paid capital of 50% of the issue capital. The next slide is company or CV. An alliance founded are trusts. In CV, there are several partners who are fully responsibility for other partners. And then there are the one or more partner who acts as capital provider. The liability of limited partner is only limited to the amount of capital invested in the company. At the CV, it is run by active partner as is responsibility for all risks or obligations to third parties. Responsibility include the use of personal assets if the company's assets are not sufficient to cover its obligations. The next is firm of VA. There are include the owner to two or more people and running the company on behalf of the company. Established through an official deeds or states minutes or below. Hand agreement of party involved. Form a large organization with effective management. Capital is obtained from those involved and responsibility lies with the owner and responsibility answer all risks that arise. The next slide is foundation. A foundation is business entity that does not aim to make a profit and place more emphasis on social goals. Capital come from donations, endowments, grants, and other contributions. Cooperative. Business entities consisting of people of cooperative legal entities base their activities on cooperative principle as well as being a people's economic movement based on the principle of kinship. Establishment through are deed of establishment after obtaining approval from the government and performed through a meeting of the 20 people with a condition or being able to take legal actions, accepting the foundation and being able to carry out the obligations and right the member. The next slide is self-evidence, or namely is identity card. The name is KTP. Pre-company registration sign or TDP. Every company operating in Indonesia must prepare a TDP letter. In this case, we have the research then technical department issue the TDP letter. The department must be the Ministry of Business, Industry and Trade. Usually, processing TDP is when the company takes care of the deed of establishment of the company. For taxpayer letter, taxpayer input number or NPWP. Ownership of the NPWP is an important thing to examination whether you already have it or not. The importance of NPWP is that every business you run will provide income to the government. 6. Validity of their document. Legal status of land must be checked at BPN, current land prices and future predictions, name and address of the actual owner, the condition of the land is disputed or not, the land can be bought and sold or not, motorized vehicle used for business, as well as other letter or certificates deemed necessary. Thank you are guys for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.